To hide files, videos or photos in Honor X7D, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to find security and privacy, and then we can scroll down until we find device and data protection. There's the save. Open it, enable it, select your storage, in this case my phone main storage, and then we can enter a password. It needs to have 6 digits, numbers or English letters. So I'm gonna go for A, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually. So 6 right there, and then we can move to the next step. What is your favorite name? Fix. That's the question that they will ask you if you forgot your password, so make sure to remember everything that you're doing here. This. Okay, let's click on done. And then finally we'll be able to find our private storage. Now we can go for example, images. Click on add, and then select whichever image you want to hide. Click on OK. And those files will be hidden right here in your save. And you can access your save anytime by going through the same settings, privacy and security, and then device and data protection. And here you can access your save and enter a password. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.